I'm Miss Fernandez. For those of you that don't know me, I'm the technology teacher here at Mayport. And I'm not there with you today because I just had a baby a couple weeks ago. So I'll be out for the first 9 weeks. I'm super bummed not to meet you guys today and start the new school year with you, but I can't wait to come back so we can learn together. And catch up and make up for lost time. So each week you guys are going to get a video from me, and it'll explain to you what you should be working on and how to access everything. And you can still email me. I'll be watching my email and hope to get some from you. And I'll be watching your activity on here and watching your flip grids. So we'll still be connected until I come back. So for this week, it's actually pretty simple because you're only here a couple days in school, and I know you have some other things that you have to do for the school and seating and all that stuff. So we're not going to be doing a whole lot this week, but I do want you to get familiar with teams. So let me just show you guys around. So in your teams, the first thing you're going to see here is you are going to see a general tab, and in your general, let me move it up here. In your general, you're going to have, let me get rid of this. Sorry. Can you tell I've been off the computer for a couple days? Okay, so in your general, you're going to have just some messages from me. These videos will be under the general tab. And then any kind of activity that I've done, you'll see in here. So I added a flip grid for you for this week. And there's a student inventory, just some questions I asked for you guys to answer so I can get to know you a little bit better. And then you'll see also the syllabus that I added here. So all of your files will either be posted in the general or they'll be up here in the files tab. So most of the tabs that you'll need are under the general channel. So you'll see posts from me, you'll see files. Our class notebook we are not using right now, so hold on that. If I post an assignment, it'll be available here. And then you'll be able to see some grades that I put in there, and you'll see the flip grid. And also I've added another tab for that same inventory that I need you to take a look at. So I try to put things in multiple places so it's easy for you to find. But if you can't find it, make sure you watch these videos or shoot me an email. Every week you're going to get an assignment calendar, so that's going to help you stay on track for what you need to get done that week. So the assignment calendars are available here under the assignment calendar channel. So you click on the assignment calendar, and here it has my post for this week. So it says welcome to tech class, and I put a screenshot of it so you can click it to open it and make it larger. And I also added it as a file that you can download or print at home if you want, or just if you want to open it in another tab. So you can click these 3 dots and you can either open it online, you can download it, or you won't really need to do this part. But some people like to download it and save it, and then if you want to open it in another tab larger, you can click open online. So if you look at this for this week, I put all of your activities here on the side, and I put some notes here for Thursday, some notes for Friday. But really what you want to focus on is the activities, because the activities are what I'm holding you accountable for. I don't really care so much what order you do them in, as long as you get them done. So for this week, don't stress if you don't get all these activities done. I just wanted to put them out there for you, but I'll definitely give you some extra time if you don't finish it. So you're going to watch this video. You've already watched it. Then you're going to review the syllabus, and then you have to have your parent or guardian sign it electronically. So all you have to do is have them go to this website right here, and they just fill out like 2 questions to let me know that they filled it, that they read it, and that's all you have to do for that. And then you're going to do a flip grid. You'll have to do this at home though, so you can use your phone for it if you want to, or a computer at home, and it takes like 3 minutes to do the flip grid. It's just like a quick hello so I can see your face and see what you look like, and just so you can tell me like what you're looking forward to this year, and maybe what you're not looking forward to. So once you're done with the flip grid, then you're also going to complete the student inventory. So these 2 you can easily do at school. So if you're doing face-to-face, you can review the syllabus, and then you can also complete the student inventory. The flip grid you have to do at home because the computers in my classroom don't have a webcam. So make sure you get that one done at home. Let's close out of this here. Close. No, I don't want to do that. My computer is being a little bit stubborn. Stop it, go away. Okay, clearly it does not want to go away. Okay, so we've taken a look at the assignment calendar. We've looked at the general tab, and again, the general tab is where you can find pretty much everything as far as like messages from me, assignments, files, etc. So focus today and tomorrow on just the activities that I listed on the assignment calendar, and if you are confused about any of it, shoot me an email. Your sub's name's Mr. Harris. He's going to be a great addition to our classroom, and we're so grateful that he's here with us. So he'll be of some help for you too. If you have any questions, you won't be able to post it on here, so make sure you email me at fernandezj1@duvalschools.org. It's on your syllabus. And also really important, I want to tell you that you'll see on the syllabus is that you're going to need earbuds to watch these videos. I usually have headphones in my classroom, but we can't share any materials because of COVID. So make sure that you bring earbuds every single day to class. You can get them at the dollar store for like $1 plus tax. So again, if you guys have any problems, shoot me an email. I'm so sorry I'm not there, but I can't wait to meet all of you. And I will see you online next week. Bye, guys.